Welcome everyone for the another possibility story from KP Investing School. So today we have Tarun here joining us from Andhra Pradesh, from Narsipatnam. So everyone say hi to Tarun, everybody. Okay, great, fantastic. So he is actually joined this particular community, and now in 1 month, 7 days, starting from May 1st, 2021 to right now 7th of June 2021. So he's able to actually have a realized profit of 31,800 in Indian market. So that is an amazing journey that what he has already made it. But let's learn some of the lessons that what he has learned in the KP Investing School journey, and what were his conception about the investing world before being part of this community, and how he was able to actually overcome that and make it happen through this thing. So let's go and ask this Tarun. Yes, Tarun. So tell about yourself a little bit.
Hi everyone. Hi sir. Yeah, myself Tarun, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh and in Narsipatnam. And also, I have graduated my BTech in 2020, and I'm more into arts, and I do investing too. Before coming into the KP Investing School, like I used to think like this whole trading session is just like a gambling. Why people are doing, they don't know when it will go up or when it will go down, and why they lose their money. And when I coming into this KP Investing School, my main pushing is actually from my father. He only wanted me to learn this KP Investing School, not only KP Investing School, this financial education. Why? Because I have to live the whole life, right? In a financially good manner. So he have actually pushed a lot. And then after coming into the KP Investing School, I have learned a lot about financial education. After learning it, and also many strategies were set by Ketan sir, and also all the things that I didn't know even it was existed in this field of stock market.
Correct.
And also, like before coming into after joining into KP Investing School, also I have to do some paper trading. And after that paper trading, I used to do some stocks, in which I used to be somewhat emotional, emotional trading. Hi, actually, I'm getting some profit. Okay, let's sit for some time. Actually, if I got some loss, I also used to sit for some more time. Like that, I used to do like that. But after getting into somewhat like journey with Ketan sir, I used to learn like we have to be cool and we shouldn't be greedy. And patience is the main key. Right? Because even many people said like stock market is nothing but the money going from impatient to the patience people. So like that, I have learned a lot of things, and also out of these educated people like some uneducated will be like they don't know how to manage the money, and they don't have a mentor who is going to say like when to enter, when to exit, why you should enter, why you should do not do the trading this way, and also they don't know how to do the monitoring of their portfolio. Correct. And I have learned a lot after coming into the KP sessions. And fantastic. Thanks for it.
And also, like I remember, like when Tarun came in for this KP Investing School, so his dad was more interested in this particular thing, so he actually supported him in making these things happen, so that he gets financially educated and start making it happen. But I'm very happy to see that today he's also have recovered some of the losses what his dad had in his initial journey and made it happen. That is really, really awesome. Here is a screenshot of his profit that what you can actually see here. This is the profits, realized profit loss from 1st of June to 7th, 1st of May to 7th of June, right? So that is really, really awesome, Tarun, in making these things happen. And he also shared that the reason why people lose money in market is because number one reason is not knowing how to manage the risk, right? And the second reason is not having the mentor and trying to simply do like a gambling. That doesn't work. That's exactly what I learned from my mentors. Right. When I actually went from learning from the best of the best in making it happen when it started working. So today, because one thing is very important, right? Today, if we go and invest in fixed deposit, the maximum return what we can get is just about 4%, 5% in a year, right? Which means money working for us. But basically in some markets, which is actually a stock market, it can give up to an average of 10 to 15% or more per year as an average return from all the portfolios that what we create. So the first mistake is actually not managing the risk. The second mistake is not having a mentor and simply learning on YouTube and stuff like that, and mentors who are already having their personal results. So that is what got me to the next level. And the third one, what he said, is not managing the portfolio, right? And having a wrong strategies, things will not happen. So make sure that, so have a clear portfolio management and make it happen. That was really, really awesome having a conversation with you, Tarun. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing your results with our students. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Bye, everyone.